Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to show you how to resolve iOS WCAG link purpose violations. WCAG 2.4.4, titled Link Purpose in Context, is a Level A criteria and states that the purpose of each link should be able to be determined from the link's text alone or from the link's text in combination with its programmatically determined accessibility name. WCAG 2.4.9 is titled Link Purpose in Link and is a Level AAA criteria, which means it's a higher standard of accessibility, and it states that the link purpose can be determined only from the text in all contexts. There is one exception to this success criteria, and that is the case when the link is intentionally ambiguous to all users. The purpose of this success criteria is to help users understand the purpose of each link in its context so that they can decide whether or not they want to follow it. This success criteria helps people with motion impairment by letting them skip pages that they're not interested in visiting, thus reducing the number of keystrokes or taps by making sure that they don't need to visit the reference content and then return back to their original content. Additionally, people with visual disabilities will benefit from not needing extra content to understand the purpose of each link. For more details on the specifics of WCAG link purpose violations, check out this link here. Notice how it has its purpose in its text. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix a link purpose violation with the help of the Mesmer Jetbrain's IDE plugin. But first, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe so you can help us make the world more accessible. Here we have two link purpose accessibility violations. Clicking into the object allows us to see the screen containing this violation. Now that we know what screen this violation is on, let's pull up our device so we can try navigating this page using VoiceOver's navigational controls. Let's navigate this page.
For more info, click here, link.
As we can see, you're not able to find any context about the purpose of this link. Let's try resolving this violation from the code. We can resolve link purpose in context violations by adding an accessibility label that delineates that this is a terms and conditions. And we can resolve the harder criteria, the AAA criteria of link purpose in link 2.4.9 by making sure that we also describe this within the link itself. Now let's try rebuilding our app and seeing what the screen reader is able to tell us about this link's purpose now. Now from the application, we can navigate this page using VoiceOver's controls. And before we do that, we can already see that the link's purpose is described by the link's text alone.
For more info, terms and conditions, link.
And now also the link's purpose is described by the accessibility reader using the assistive technology TalkBack, thus resolving this violation. And just like that, we've resolved our iOS link purpose accessibility violation. What does accessibility mean to you? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.